Hi, my name is Luke and I'm from Colchester. Before I came to Dental Smiles, I didn't have much confidence in my teeth and my smile. I have a lot of colleagues that are based in the US, they all have California white smiles, and unfortunately, when I'm on a Zoom call, my face is tiled with everyone else and it wasn't as bright. It was a little bit dull compared to theirs, and that made me quite self-conscious. At my first appointment with Dental Smile, I was pretty nervous. I'm quite a nervous patient when it comes to dentists anyway. They made me feel so comfortable, and initially contacted them through a form, had a phone call the very next hour, and it was even an hour after that I came in for my initial appointment. I was quite nervous, so I was never going to go to a regular dentist. I saw that Dental Smiles had just opened, and that made me a bit more keen to try out a new service. From the moment I got here, everyone made me feel comfortable. I got a tour of the downstairs facilities, mind a rest. Everyone explained what their roles were and what they would be doing, how they'd be helping me, and then we sat down and worked out a treatment plan. The treatment plan that Dental Smiles put together for me included a root canal and some wisdom teeth extractions and a reconstruction of a broken tooth. As a nervous patient, I've been putting off treatment for so long that my teeth were in a place where they're in need of some attention. My wisdom teeth were difficult to clean, so far back in my mouth. I hadn't looked after them properly, so they needed to come out. The recovery from the extractions was painful, but I had lots of support and I had the right prescription in case anything went wrong, or if I needed any pain medication. I regularly came back for checkups, and everyone looked after me. The root canal was something that I thought was going to be painful, and it wasn't painful at all. The treatment here was excellent, and everyone made me feel really at ease with it. I effectively sat in the chair, watched something on Netflix while someone was helping me with my teeth, and at the end of it I recovered and I had very little pain afterwards. So I was really interested in teeth whitening, but that was only ever going to be the final step in the treatment plan, and I had to have treatment before that. When we finally got to the whitening, it was just so simple. You get your teeth scanned. Once the molds are ready, then you get to wear them either overnight or during the day with the whitening gel, and I've found it pretty good so far. Since I finished my treatment at Dental Smiles, I don't feel as self-conscious when I'm meeting with my colleagues, or even when I'm talking to people in person. I've always been told that I don't smile with my teeth, but I'm much more confident doing that now. I'd love to recommend Dental Smiles, especially if you're a nervous patient. If you have any reservations at all about your dental hygiene, then Dental Smiles will look after you. If I was going to describe Dental Smiles in 3 words, it would be caring, kind, and professional.